Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sauteed potatoes, and it's going to be a very easy recipe, and you can have these potatoes either for breakfast or for brunch. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using two main key ingredients, that is potatoes and my onions. You're going to start off by peeling and washing your potatoes. Next, you're going to slice your potatoes this size. Move over to my stove top where I've placed a pot with cold water. Next, add in my potatoes. Make sure the potatoes are fully submerged in the cold water. Next, I'm going to add in salt. Let the pot come to a boil and boil the potatoes for around 2 minutes. As the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to be making my onions. So over here I have 2 large onions. I'm going to saute the onions until soft. In my pan, I've added a generous amount of oil. I'm going to carefully place in my onions. As my onions are cooking, I'm going to be adding some salt to season my onions. Stir in the seasoning and let the onions soften up. After 2 minutes, my potatoes are ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and then I'm going to drain the water. This is how my onions are looking like. Almost cooking. My onions are ready, so I'm going to scoop out using a slotted spoon so that they can drain the excess oil. Shake a little bit and transfer to a plate. In the same pan, I'm going to be adding back my potatoes, which are halfway cooked. Shake the potatoes a little bit and let the potatoes cook until crispy on the outside. That is going to take a while, so keep flipping and tossing while the potatoes cook. This is how my potatoes are looking like. I love the gorgeous golden brown color that the potatoes are getting. So I'm going to add in a touch of black pepper, not so much, and also a touch of salt because we have already seasoned our potatoes and onions. Flip a little bit. I love how my potatoes are looking, and I love that they're crispening up on the outside. So at this point, I'm going to add back my onions. Toss. You can hear how crispy my sauteed potatoes are. So I'm going to give my potatoes about a minute and then I'm going to serve. My sauteed potatoes are ready, and I love how gorgeous the potatoes are looking. I love the golden brown color on some of the potatoes, and they are very well seasoned. I'm going to be enjoying mine for brunch because today is on Saturday and I am going to have an amazing brunch. So I hope you'll be enjoying and trying out this amazing sauteed potato recipe. Catch you on my next episode.